Hi, I'm Sean from the Thames Valley Window Company, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Rationel range of windows. Rationel are a Scandinavian company and they've been trading for more than 70 years, and what they do is beautiful design for sustainable living. The individual features, which is why we recommend them so strongly, I'll go through with you now. There are two profiles. That's basically the shape. There's two profiles in the Rationel range. They have a profile called Forma, and they have a profile called Aura. The Forma Plus is a traditional looking window with Georgian bars, astral bars, call them what you will, and much more in keeping to, windows of old. The Aura Plus range is a more conventional window and very much used in contemporary makeovers and new builds. Both of the windows have this plus suffix, and what that means is it is what is often referred to as a composite window. That means that it's aluminium on the outside and timber on the inside. The advantage of that is that the outside of your windows are completely maintenance free, because the aluminium just needs a wipe down every now and again, and of course the timber on the inside, right, you would you decorate when you were decorating the rooms generally, I suppose, but it doesn't get the same weather beatenness. The other great advantage is that many composite windows that are available are tilt and turn, they call it, because they're continental, and they are made to fit continental standards. And what that means is that they tilt in for ventilation and they open in. It doesn't always suit the British way of life, because we've got curtains, we've got stuff on the on our windowsills, etc. And if you've got to open the window in, primarily it's for cleaning, but when you open the window in, right, gets in the way of the curtains, etc., etc. These windows are open out. They can be the continental style, but they make the windows so that they do open out like traditional casement windows. The other main point is that we talked about sustainable living, and that is embodied by their energy efficiency. Rationel windows tend to be default triple glazed. Double glazing is available, but triple glazed. The U value, which is how they measure the energy efficiency, with the triple glazed window is 0.76. It's incredibly low. If you do it double glazed, the U value is 1.29, which is still lower than the building regulations dictate, which is 1.4. Many of these windows will need to be a different colour on the inside than they are on the outside, and with an awful lot of composite windows, and not just composite windows, but with windows generally, aluminium in particular, if you have two colours, you pay extra. With the Rationel windows, provided you're using their standard colours, which is quite a broad palette, but provided that you are working from the standard colours, there is no charge for the dual colour. That could save you a couple of £1,000 on a job over, let's say, what you might do if you were using a competitive product. What I want to do now is just show you the window. The windows themselves have two types of opening. This is called a guided casement, in as much as it slides along, all right, so that you can clean the inside from the outside. This is a conventional hinge, okay, giving you a much wider opening, which is necessary in bedrooms and stuff. So, but the other side of the coin is that the handles have a built-in, I suppose, safety mechanism. You can't open these windows by accident. You have to press the release button to release the window. Another advantage with the Rationel product is both aesthetic and practical, in as much as that the building regulations now insist that if you don't have a alternative passive ventilation, it's called, in the form of what's normally quite expensive mechanically heat recovery systems, you've got to have trickle vents. Many people feel that trickle vents can ruin the look of the window, but Rationel have got round that, if you like, because there's probably the most subtle venting system at all. It's smooth to the frame. It comes out like so to operate, right? But it's hidden. It's not something that you'll look at. And even when it's at the top of the frame, it's in the soffit, if you like. All right. So it's not something that your eyes get drawn to, which sometimes is what happens with the other windows. You've got this, carbuncle on the side. You should never describe that as a carbuncle. This is the former Plus, triple glazed, Georgian bars, etc., as we were discussing. This particular window is the Aura, and it's much more conventional. As you can see, it's a big single pane of glass. The size of the window dictates the way it opens. You couldn't have a window like this opening sideways, so it opens to the top, but with the same mechanism that goes with it, the same security on the handle, and of course they're all lockable as well, but you have to press it in to open it up. And all in all, I'm standing in our showroom, and we would say we've got them on display, as you can see. Come and have a look at them. There's nothing better than seeing the windows in the flesh. It's the best way to imagine how they'll look in your home or in your project. Rationel windows are for the discerning customer. Thank you.